Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel techdev98. So today in this video I'll show you how you can block ads in Safari on your iPad as well as iPhone. So here I'll just open Safari, and as you can see here I have loaded a website, and here there are lots and lots of ads which is ruining my browsing experience. So what I need to do is just head over to the App Store, and here I'll just search for adblock, and I have installed this adblock for mobile, and I'll just open it. And here just click on after installing, just click on update filter list. Then all we need to do is go to settings. Then so we just need to scroll down to Safari, and here you can see a new option which is content blockers. So now adblock, I'll enable all three, and now what I'll do is I'll close all apps, and now when I open, as you can see all ads are now gone, and now I am having a much smoother experience in reading the article. So you can also block ads in Safari through this trick. Stay tuned for more iPhone videos, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel techdev98 if you found this video helpful. Thank you so much.